Exponents. In studying, you will really encounter exponents. Suppose you multiply 3 times 3, or 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. You can notice time and space consuming in doing in this way. You can notice also that the number and the multiplication are just repeated. So mathematicians made a shortcut. Nicholas Chiquet used a form of exponential notation in the 15th century. 3 times 3 is just written with big 3 and is small to above the right side of 3. This is read as 3 squared. 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 cubed. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is just 3 to the 6th. So the long multiplication is just shortened. This is the main purpose of using exponent. It shortened the long and exhausting multiplication of the same number or repeated multiplication of a number. Exponents. Like the multiplication, which is the short way of repeated addition of a number. Exponents provide a shorthand method for representing repeated multiplication of a real number. Exponents show how many times the number is multiplied by itself. Exponent quantity representing the power to which a given number or expression is to be raised, usually expressed as a raised symbol beside the number. Exponents defined as for every real number e. We previously discussed real number, and n is a positive integer, so the knowledge of integers must remember the definition of positive integer to be good in exponent. A to the n exponent or power, such that a times and so on. The exponent of a number say show many times to use the number in a multiplication. And factors of a. A is the base. N is the exponent or power. Example for squared is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. The number 2 in the upper side of 4 is telling us we need to multiply 4 2 times. Four is the base. 2 is the exponent or power. The base number tells what number is being multiplied. Exponent or power tells how many times the base number is being multiplied. 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. You should be careful in dealing with exponents, especially in numbers with negative sign. The next example is good to take note. Parentheses -5 squared. In this case, whatever included inside the parentheses is included in the process, is equal to -5 times -5, which equal to positive 25. The negative is multiplied 2 times, so negative times negative, the result is positive. Take note this next example because many are so confused with this. -5 squared without any parentheses. But -5 without enclosing the negative sign means that the negative sign is not included in the multiplication, so the answer is -25. Hope you learned something from this discussion.